Good morning. It is Sportster Sickness, so we are at
Tamworth Services.
Tamworth Services.
Not just the services.
Not just the services.
We tried to record this twice. There's a few here.
There is a few people here. We're early, for once in our life, we're never early.
Yeah, right.
No.
Yeah, it's not right.
But people are due to get here for 9 o'clock and leave for 9:15. So, stay with us and we'll take you on our day out.
Yeah.
That's really cool, you've got other ones in there. Just can't take him anywhere. Whenever there's somebody with a problem.
Yeah, every time you press that record button, somebody either turns up or starts a bike or revs a bike next to you.
They do, it's happening.
You've got all the patience for it though, so it's fine.
Yeah, we are here. We are at Leicester Services for the Sportster Sickness. And there is, how many bikes would you say is here?
God.
200?
Nah, more than that. More, yeah, more. You're doing a pan around anyway, ain't you?
There's a lot of people. I'm going to do a pan around and a walk around. We've been talking to some lovely people. We're going to go hand out some stickers with them as well.
So if you did get a sticker here, comment below. Let us know.
Yeah, one bloke already stuck it straight on his bike. I'm very impressed.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're going to have a wander around.
There's a yellow one over there I really like.
There's a yellow one we've got to go look at. It's got matching lid.
We like yellow.
I like people that coordinate. I've seen a couple matching lids to bikes. I'm on board.
Have a look.
absolutely cracking day. I hope you enjoy the footage and following us for the day.
Good run around the track.
Good run around the track. 5 miles. 5 miles. 5 miles.
5 miles. 5.
5. Lots of nice people.
Yeah.
Lots of good conversations. Lots of new camera angles. So yeah, playing about. And you have to let us know what worked and what didn't. But yeah, hopefully you might have spotted yourself as well if you have had a watch from today. Yeah.
Yeah,
And
all the good stuff. And we will see them
Sunday
in the next one.
in the next one.